Mates, welcome back. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Altcoin Tuesday action going on here this evening, a little bit before 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the States. Hope everybody's doing well. We're looking at Sandbox. The Sandbox right now, S-A-N-D, and it's looking kind of ugly at the moment. We're going to see what's going to happen here this evening. We're at 587, but here's why. I just did a video on Aave talking about the same pattern. You've got the altcoin here breaking both its 21 and 7-day moving averages to the downside. That ain't pretty. Okay, on anyone's map. Mind you, we were on the 4-hour, but on the 4-hour, we have seen a steady decline here in the relative strength of the Sandbox, okay? We're down here below 40, okay? Now, remember the last one we were here, 37, was the last time we were this low here, and that was on the 20th of December. So that's kind of concerning here. We're going to watch what happens. Now, we guys know that in our group, we like to target these coins when they get to an RSI 30 or lower. That does not mean they will always get there. You have to backtest your RSI to find out what its average and what the pattern is within this particular token, just like you would any other token. Our target zone is below an RSI 30, but that token may not ever get there, right? And so you got to go back and backtest the last time. The last time we touched 30 was December 14th. We bounced off it, okay? So it has gotten to 30 before, but before that, you could see it doesn't have a history here of in the month of December of falling below an RSI of 30, okay? It's been in a relatively hot sector. There's been a lot of accumulation, so you want to keep an eye on that, okay? It's now at 584 here. So what we're looking at here, even though we've broken these exponential moving averages, we do have some support down here at 516. And then after that, you've got it at 475, okay? So we've got a little ways to go here. But this area right here is what I'm concerned about right now while I'm doing this video. 590 right there. We're below that support beam right there in 2 4-hour sticks. Okay. We did have a wick here and it's been bought up. So that's positive. Okay. If you look at it from that perspective, that's positive, meaning it fell lower, but then the buyers came back in and bought her up. Okay. They want to keep her above 88 to 590. We're at 587 now. So we're moving back up. You can see this happening right now live while we're on this chart. Remember, we were at 583. We're now at 588. It came right down to this level again, and now they want to hold it up. This is what you're watching here, mates. You're watching the bulls bring her back up. This should begin to turn on the 1 minute and 5 minute. Okay, to go back towards 40 if this holds here. If they take her back to 590, this is going to start to V-curve out and head back towards RSI 40. And so there's your indication right there. That could be a scalping opportunity for you to buy on a scalp trade short term between 5.88 and 5. Right there, really $5.90 to $6, okay? That is certainly one way, an opportunity to play it. However, the broader market has been down, okay, all day long today. And so you've got to factor that in the backdrop of what your play is. The market wants to go lower. It's been wanting to go lower all day long, okay? So this would be an outlier, right? Move all of a sudden on a technical basis, bouncing right off its last low-level RSI of 35, 36. And that's basically where we are at right now, okay? And you have this critical support zone, both on your IO map and on your technical analytical chart, right? And what the IO map is telling you is when the supply and demand barriers, where people have previously looking back, what levels were they buying at? What levels were they selling at? Okay. And then obviously you have your top up here, well above 650. All right. So that's how you're going to create your zone. All right. So you've got a zone of about 650 all the way down to $5, $5.10. Okay. That's your workable zone. Okay. If you were to draw a triangle right now, okay, and what's happening. And you've got 2 moving averages that have been broken, but you're on a support line. And so now you're 589, going to get to 590 here. You're getting that up. So that scalp trade from 583, 584 off that low level RSI would already be well into the money for you because it would be a 6-cent move already. All right, mates, that's a quick update on the Sandbox.